Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Entering through the main doors of the Luxor Hotel and Casino, the first impression is scale. The foyer opens into one of the largest interior volumes of any hotel in the world. The hollow center of the pyramid itself. Every wall and corridor is aligned beneath the rising sides of the glass structure above, forming a vast interior space that reaches more than 100 meters high. The Luxor opened in 1993, designed by architect Veldon Simpson and built by Circus Circus Enterprises. It was among the first mega resorts to define the modern Las Vegas skyline. The concept was direct, an Egyptian-themed property built inside a true geometric pyramid. Unlike most themed hotels, the Luxor's shape is not decorative, it's structural, enclosing all of its rooms and public spaces within the angled sides of the building. From the foyer, the view rises straight upward to the apex of the pyramid. The interior wall tilts inward at a precise 40-degree angle, lined with balconies that serve as entrances to the guest rooms. Each level forms a step layer, climbing towards the point where the structure closes above. The elevator system, known as an inclinator, moves diagonally along these walls rather than vertically, a feature unique to this building. Ahead, the main floor extends across a large open atrium that contains restaurants, shops, and entertainment venues arranged around themed facades resembling ancient monuments. The casino and central pathways are positioned on the ground plane, leaving the interior void unobstructed, so the full pyramid form remains visible from nearly every point inside. At the far end of the foyer stands the original obelisk-style column and sphinx and spire detailing that references Egypt's architectural vocabulary. These are balanced by modern additions added during later renovations, combining the early theme elements with contemporary finishes. Above them, the four corners of the pyramid converge in perfect symmetry, each line visible through the open air to the apex higher overhead. Looking around from this level, the structure itself becomes the primary feature, an engineering display as much as a design statement. Every edge, beam, and alignment draws the eye upwards, making the space feel continuous from floor to roof. The result is both architectural and theatrical, turning the interior of the Luxor into its own attraction. This foyer walk reveals why the Luxor remains one of the most distinctive resorts on the Strip, a complete environment built inside a single monumental form, where the pyramid that defines the exterior continues seamlessly into the interior above.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.